Hello, welcome to Dovin Headfirst. My name is Lucy, and in today's video I'll show you how I upcycled ties to make this vest and a beautiful choker necklace to match it. Thank you for joining. So I have this selection of ties that I'm gonna use. I have a few of them, as you can see. So I've gone ahead and picked up 4 of them. So I'm gonna go with the burgundies and blues for this project. So the burgundies and the blues. What we need to do is measure it. I want it to land around there. So I will just put it on me and mark where it's supposed to be. So the kind of plain ones are gonna go to the end because I want the tie arounds to be colorful. So I'll mark that to the end, and then I'll take the blue one, measure it, somehow align it with this, and then mark it to where I want it to reach, yeah? And then I'm just gonna do these two and use these two measurements for the other two. So we're here, we put it here, we mark it there. So, and over here it's supposed to be a little bit diagonal from the picture, a little bit diagonal, but I'm gonna cut the diagonal from the inside, so that way then I can sew it. Went ahead and cut these two. These are the ones that are going to go on the outer edges of the waistcoat. So I had marked this one. So I'm going to cut it in a diagonal shape as I'm showing right there, and that will be able to give me that cap effect for my bust area. So I have cut one. I'm going to go ahead and cut the other one, and I am going to use the one that I've cut as a template so that it's all lined up. I really did like the color combinations that I took. They were all not alike, but also so very alike because they had the base colors that I was looking for, which is actually the creams, the blues, and the burgundies. As you can tell, I always just do my projects on the go. So right here, I was just looking at it and figuring out how best it will be to sew it, whether I need to top stitch it or to maybe sew it from the back. I think I might just do that, stitch it at the back. Yeah, I think that's easier doing that. So I've gone ahead and sewed it off. So I did the sewing over here and over here. So when you turn it around, it is something like that. So when I turn it around, it has that shape. So that's the neck, that's where the chest area will be. And then I've also joined these. So this one is gonna go at the waistline like that and will be tied. So this is the part. So then we have these, the two left. So I use the middle ones for the waist piece because they're longer. And then the outer ones I'm gonna use for the head piece. So what you're gonna do, I've decided that the flower will come from these and these will be the tie around. So what you need to do is just take your needle and just sew it in and out. Just do some tucking. Just gonna pull it and I'll show you how to make the flower. So you can need to pull it some more. So you see. Let's see. I think I might need to put it facing this way. Turn it around. Okay, there we go. And that's the flower. So I want these to be a little bit bigger, so I'm just gonna sew it and see how to. So I have the desired length. So let me just tighten it here, put a knot here so that it's not moving. Okay, and then now we have it. I'm gonna arrange it in a way that it looks good. Just going in there. So just play around with it until you have the desired shape. So I sewed it a few times to make it sturdy. Then that will go there. This is the finished product. It is all done. Those are the ties, and I use these closures to close the back, so when it's on my neck it will look something like that. All done. So that is done. I decided to put it towards the end so that it's not visible. So I'm using Velcro to close it. I have Velcro here and Velcro here. So that's how it's gonna get closed on my neck. That won't show, so it does not matter how I held it together. And here is the finished product. It came out so good. I got so many compliments on it. I paired it with a white huge dress from H&M. Love it. Thank you ever so much for watching. Tune in for more videos, and if you have any suggestions, comment below. Thank you.